as always, I'm starting off with the concealer. I'm going to go ahead and prep my eyelid. And this is the Maybelline concealer. I use this most of the time. And this is the shade medium. So make sure that you pat that onto the eyelid. Make sure that it is not creasing. Otherwise, and most likely, it will crease up. And then your eyeshadow is just going to look pretty bad. And for this look, I am using the Juvia palette. This is the Zulu palette. Everybody's been raving about this palette, but I just got my hands on this palette. And it seriously has an amazing pigmentation. I can't even describe how pigmented the colors are. So this is a palette. I'm taking that pink color first, and I'm using that as my transition color. And one tip I would say, just go ahead and blend that eyeshadow slowly but surely. So you want to pack in that color slowly, and you will slowly build up the color. And now we're going in with that purple color. I really love this purple color. It's so pigmented. Just look at the color. I just grabbed a small amount, and seriously guys, it's so pigmented. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and grab that purple color again. I'm gonna keep on packing in that color so I can slowly build up the color. So as you guys can see right here, I'm grabbing more, and you can tell how pigmented it is, and how you can slowly see the difference of how pigmented it's getting. And then it gets a little bit darker and even more purple. Alright, and we're gonna keep on blending. That's basically what it is. You have to blend, blend, blend. And I do like windshield motion, like windshield wipers, just that kind of motion, going back and forth and blending everything together. I'm also using the Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe, and I'm taking these two colors right here. It's like a purple and this blue color. They're really shimmery. So I mixed both of them, and then I also added some Fix Plus. So if you guys have any type of setting spray, you can just spray that onto your brush and then grab the product with that. And that just adds a little bit more pigmentation. It makes it stand out a lot more. And I'm just packing that onto my lid. And I'm going back and forth. I'm adding as much as I can just because I really wanted this to be really popping, and I wanted this to just stand out a lot. And then of course I'm going back in with that other brush, and I'm just blending everything together just so there's no harsh lines in there. Alright, now moving on to the foundation. I'm using the Super Stay foundation from Maybelline, and this is in the shade, which shade am I? I am the shade Golden. So I'm gonna go ahead and just apply that all over my face, and we are gonna go a little bit, we're gonna go ahead and speed up this process. I'm just using this stick foundation from Anastasia, and this is the color Chestnut. I'm using that to contour my face. And then we're gonna go ahead and blend that out. I'm using this crown brush. It does not have a name or a number. This is what it looks like. And I'm taking my favorite lashes from Lash Kitty in the style Fetish. As far as the lipstick, I mixed both colors. I mixed Craft from Anastasia, and then I mixed Vacation from NYX. Now I'm taking, I'm going to add my bronzer now, and I am adding, I'm adding my highlight. I'm adding this color and this color together. So let's see how it works. beautiful. I feel like I have opened up to using a lot more colors than what I did before. I was very like, I wasn't very comfortable. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna add this into my inner corner. I'm honestly beyond excited for this look. I really love the way that it turned out. Just the eyeshadow itself, I feel like I've done a great job blending the eyeshadow and making it look effortless. Like it's so easy to just apply eyeshadow, which is not. But I'm just gonna give myself props right now because the blending, the eyeshadow, everything turned out so well, and I feel like I'm overly excited right now. So with that being said, I just want to say, guys, if you want to do makeup, if you want to start YouTube, if you want to just post makeup on your Instagram or whatever platform you're using, don't stop and practice every single day, or maybe not every single day. Let's be a little bit more realistic. If you have time on the weekend, whatever day you have free, make that day make that the day where you are gonna create a new makeup look for the week. You're gonna create a new video for the week, and just keep practicing, guys. I feel like I've come a long way ever since I started. I feel like my makeup is flawless, and of course, why not compliment yourself, give yourself the credit that you deserve. And maybe at the moment it seems maybe at the moment you feel like, oh my god, my work is not being noticed, I'm not being noticed. But I feel that consistency is the key to grow in social media or any platform, which it is hard, you know, to be consistent and having a new and to have a new look every day or every week. Don't stop because somebody left a bad comment, because somebody doesn't like you, or because you feel like everybody's watching you. Don't stop. Like, let them hate, you know, keep on going. I don't know, this is just me ranting. Those people who don't like your makeup or who leave bad comments or anything like that, they're just hating on you. They're just jealous that you put yourself out there and that they don't have the guts and that they don't have the skills that you do, which is doing your makeup and looking flawless AF and just beating your face. Because look, my highlight is popping and your highlight probably ain't popping. My makeup is on point and I feel great. I hope that you guys enjoyed this makeup as much as I did creating it. Honestly, it just puts me in the mood. I just zone out. Like when I do my makeup, I forget about everything, and I love the feeling that it gives me when I'm done doing my makeup and I look at myself. It is popping, but it is so hot in my room right now. Whew, I am burning. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. If you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that it was helpful for you guys. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.